What's up, most Sakura? Alright, I am now leaving my media room center of center roomness. That switch to shock me. How rude. Alright, I'm going downstairs and talk to people and get some water. My mommy is on her computer and she's doing something. Holy cow! What is going on? I'm watching something on a tiny TV. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. Hi, people. Be afraid. Get some water. Ready, whip. Whip that is ready. Smaller cap equals less plastic. Plastic. Hi, Grandma. She's 6, so her voice sounds kind of weird. So she not talk. She hides from camera. She not a nice lady. She not a nice lady. Okay. What's going on? I don't know. I'm kind of stupid. But one thing I do know is Area 51 is finally uploading. And what I need to do is take more time editing. I need to record and edit the same day, or like have it a day ahead, which is not going to be fun, because I need to have it done so I can upload it, because that previous video that I'm uploading now, the Area 51 video, I made it like 3 days ago, like before my first vlog actually. So, can I open a water bottle with my left hand? Doesn't work very well. But yeah, I'm going to start doing it a day earlier than I was. So it'll, it should be better for people. And if I get like an iPod Touch or an iPhone or something, then I'll probably record videos with that. But anyways, what I have to say now is, bless your face, of course, because you're such nice people. And be sure to subscribe. Click the little button up there. Click the button over there for the previous video. Click the annotation on the top right for the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace off.